Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a really interesting component that could add a whole new dimension to your electronic projects. This is the XFS5152CE Speech Synthesis Module, a dedicated piece of hardware designed to bring voice capabilities to your creations. For anyone working on DIY electronics, robotics, accessibility devices, or interactive installations, adding speech output can make a project significantly more engaging and user-friendly. The core function of the XFS5152CE is text-to-speech, or TTS. This means you can send text commands to the module, and it will convert that text into audible speech. Think about a robot that can tell you its status, a smart home device that gives you notifications, or an educational toy that reads out words. This module handles the complex task of generating natural-sounding voice, freeing up your main microcontroller to focus on other tasks. It's a much more efficient approach than trying to perform complex audio processing directly on a standard microcontroller. One of the standout features of the XFS5152CE is its support for multiple languages. Specifically, this module is capable of synthesizing speech in both Chinese and English. This dual language capability makes it incredibly versatile for projects aimed at a wider audience or for applications requiring multilingual interaction. Being able to switch between languages or even potentially use them within the same project opens up a lot of possibilities for developers and hobbyists. The module utilizes encoding and decoding processes internally to realize the speech synthesis. While the specifics of the algorithms are handled by the module itself, understanding that it's a dedicated processor for this task highlights its efficiency and performance compared to software-only solutions. It takes the input text, processes it using its built-in engine, and outputs audio signals that can be connected to a speaker or amplifier. Integrating a module like the XFS5152CE into a project typically involves connecting it to a microcontroller via a standard communication interface, commonly UART serial. You would send commands and text strings over this interface, and the module would then output the corresponding audio. This makes it relatively straightforward to interface with popular development boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or ESP32. The potential applications are vast. Imagine a talking weather station, a security system that announces events, a navigation aid for the visually impaired, or even just adding a fun voice interface to a simple gadget. For educators, it could be used in interactive learning tools. For robotics enthusiasts, it's a key component for giving robots a voice. The ability to easily add speech output in two major languages significantly enhances the functionality and appeal of many electronic projects. It provides a convenient and powerful way to add an auditory layer of interaction, making devices more intuitive and informative. This dedicated hardware solution simplifies the development process for adding complex speech capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.